Hello friends, I am back with one more summer cooler, that is mango falooda. The creamy, sweet and refreshing Indian delicacy Falooda is layered summer dessert drink made with vermicelli noodles, rose syrup, sabja seeds, milk and ice cream. But today we are giving one twist in this recipe and we are adding mango to it. Welcome back to the channel. Happiness is homemade. So here I have taken pulp of 2 Alfonso mangoes. I am adding 3 tablespoons sugar and 2 cups of milk and blend it to a smooth puree. Mango and milk definitely creates an awesome combination. Here I am adding half a cup of vermicelli to boiling water and let it cook for 2 minutes. Once done, drain the water and let it cool completely. Now soak 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in water for 15 to 20 minutes. Cut some mangoes into cubes for layering. Now the main art begins. Layering. First layer, put some cooked vermicelli at the bottom, then add soaked chia seeds. Some pieces of chopped mango. Now add chilled mango milkshake. And here it goes, mango ice cream. 2 scoops of mango ice cream. Garnish with some dry fruits. And some mango pieces. Just like mango kulfi, mango falooda has become my house favorite. Do check out the link for 3 ingredients mango kulfi in the description box. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Till then, take care and bye-bye.